Hey guys, it's Jenny from My Creative Manor here. Last year I did a blog post on my coat crate. This year I'm doing things slightly different than what I did last year. I'm keeping with the rustic theme, but I thought I would show you how I'm putting everything together. So I got my coat crate empty except for the Mary sign. These little Scrabble tiles are kind of hard to get into the 2-inch squares, so once I had them in there, I thought I'm gonna just leave them alone. And then I can build the rest of it from there. So I want to start with the top. Last year I think I had a bow on the top, but this year I'm going to do things a little bit differently. I've got this evergreen pick. I don't need the stem, so I'm just going to bend that back a little bit and then set that at the top. Then I have these cute antlers. I'm just going to slide them in. I want them to kind of lay down and not stand up, so I want them, kind of, I guess, use the wall for a little stability, and then through the greenery. That one. There, it doesn't matter if it doesn't look quite even. I might end up going back and doing a little bit of adjusting later. I don't know. I've got this cute little pick. It's got a bell that's pretty rusty, so that works perfect. And then the buffalo check will go with a lot of other little things that I'm going to have in the foyer that has buffalo check. I don't want the stem, so again, I'm just going to bend it. Or I could cut it off if I really wanted to, but I think I'll just bend it in case I want to use it a different way next year or another year, I guess. So I'm just going to stuff that in the front so it gives it a little bit of color at the top. Now, I guess I'll start with the box. This little box, it's cute. It's got the little red truck. I'm going to use the top and the bottom of the box in square. Now I've got a few things that are the same, but I don't want them next to each other. So I got to really think about where I want to put these. I think this top will work perfect up at the top corner. And then there. Now I've got 4 different of these. I think they were a pick too, and I tore them apart because I just wanted the little green. They're cute. They have like little icicles to them. So different spots. Perfect. That one's fluffy. Let's put a fluffier one up there. Now I've got let's start with I've got 3 different candles. I've got these skis. I've got 2 sets of skis, and they're gonna kind of like set on the frame, so they're gonna kind of take up a little bit of space of the one above it. So I think that would be perfect to put a candle in that. And then I just put putty on the back of these and then stick them to the outside of the frame. And again, because I don't want them in the same area, I'm gonna do that. But I think because I got those ones going that way, I want them going. Those ones going that way. Now, this candle, I'm going to change it up just a little bit from the other ones. And I got this red buffalo check ribbon that I just cut a section off, rolled it up. I did a little dovetail to it so it looks cute. I think I used this last year because it looks like the candle was sitting underneath it last year. We can go. Let's go right there. What's nice about the wired ribbon is it can kind of be, well, I can bend it because it's wired. It'll work well with the square. These little antlers, I thought they were cute. I got these last year. They were in the miniature tree section at Hobby Lobby. I just cut the string off because I don't ever intend on having them on a tree. So I think these will look cute with one of the greeneries. So that one, maybe pull that greenery up a little closer. Now, I have little trees. I think I got these out of my village stuff. So, I've got a couple of them are the same size, so I'm going to go ahead and do 3 in one of them. And then in the other. Now I've got these berry picks. Again, I just bent the sticks back because I don't need those. That one there. No, let's go there. And we need some right up top here. Now my bird I did last year, and he's a little larger than the square, so he's going to kind of take up a little bit of room from the top one. So I think because it's just green right here and it fills up the hole, I think this will work perfect right here. And I kind of push him right in, he just stays there. And then this is just a bulb that I got at the dollar store. Add a little bit more red. Let's kind of put that in. And this cute little Santa. He has bendable legs, so he can like set on a shelf to him. Maybe he should go right underneath the Mary. And then I have another bird. I did also get a Hobby Lobby. I'm not gonna, because he's an ornament, I'm not gonna cut the string in case I ever want to put him on a tree. I think he will look perfect right here. I have a balancing act sometimes with this stuff. Now, my truck. My truck I got also at Hobby Lobby, and he was also an ornament, but I did cut his string off because I don't think it would work well. This I'm gonna end up moving this because this I think works perfect right here. It says there's no place like home on it. My little pine cones and berries, they're just little twist things. I use these on my wreath for the Noel sign. So I'm gonna put these, I think up here. No, maybe right here would be perfect. And then I have a couple pine cones that will work. Oh, I know it. I got this Noel sign. Let's do this. Let's move the candle over one. Put the Noel sign with that. And then put a pine cone back there. And then I've got this bell, and that will go cute, right, just tucked in with that greenery there. And then this again was another pick that I tore apart. They're just little like wood, they're foam wood pieces, so I don't need that. I tucked that under that. I'm just gonna stick in like that. And then another pine cone. Maybe Santa can go right here. And then the pine cone goes right there. Yeah. So there you have it. There's my coat crate for Christmas 2018. Thanks for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed my little tutorial. Bye-bye.